Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online classes of Iqra Hufaz Boys Secondary School, a project of Iqra Education System. This video session is for English composition for class 8. This is lecture number 30. My dear students, today we are going to learn application writing in composition. Application writing is a formal written statement in which a request is put forward. एक ऐसा फॉर्मल रिटन स्टेटमेंट जिसमें हम अपनी दरख्वास्त पेश करते हैं, एप्लीकेशन राइटिंग कहलाता है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द टाइप्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशन. वी हैव बेसिक 3 types of application in our school curriculum. Number 1, application to the class teacher. Number 2, application to the headmaster. And application to the principal. We write an application to the class teacher when we have problems, requests, complaints and concern within the classroom. Okay? And we write an application to the headmaster when we have problems, requests, complaint and concern outside the classroom but within the school. While all the requests, problem, complaints and concern outside the school, we write an application to the principal. Now let's discuss the parts of an application. Here you can see we have the parts of an application. Number 1, name of recipient, address of recipient, here you can see I have not skipped a line, but I have skipped a line before subject and after subject. So my dear students, when you are writing an application, you have to skip a line before subject and after subject. Okay? Then for salutation, introduction, body, closing. Then again we will skip a line after closing. Number 8, ending, name of applicant and date. Here you will write the class teacher, the headmaster or the principal. In the address of recipient, you will write the name of your school or A.B.C. school, comma. Then you skip a line, and in the subject you will write the reason for writing an application. Request, for example, requesting to arrange a quiz program in the school or asking for 2 days leave. Then in salutation you will write respected sir. In the introduction you will introduce yourself like I am the student of class 6, 7 or 8. And in the body you will write the request you are making to the class teacher or to the headmaster or to the principal. In closing you will write I look forward to your kind consideration or I shall be very thankful to you for this act of kindness. In the ending you will write yours obediently. And here you will write x dot y dot z and then mention the date. Now I am exemplifying the format of application. First we will write the name of recipient and the address of recipient, the class teacher, the headmaster or the principal, comma, A dot B dot C dot school, comma, Karachi, full stop. After writing the name and recipient, name and address of recipient, you will skip a line. Okay? Then subject requesting to, whatever the subject you have and whatever you want to request, you will add here. After the subject, you will again skip a line. My dear students, remember this, you will skip a line before the subject and after the subject. Okay? Respected sir, comma. Now introduce yourself. This is x dot y dot z dot. I am a student in this school. After writing your introduction, you will change the paragraph for the body. I am humbly requesting you to, and you will complete your topic here. After completing your body, you will again change the paragraph for closing. I shall be very thankful to you for this act of kindness. After writing the closing, you will again skip a line here. Then ending, yours obediently, x dot y dot z, then you will mention the date. "20th July, comma, 2020. Now I am going to demonstrate the parts of an application and the format of application in the notebook. Now my dear students, take out your notebooks and make a separate section of 15 pages for composition and write these parts of an application on the first page of your composition section. Here I am going to demonstrate how to make a separate section for composition in the notebook and then how to write the parts of an application and the format of an application in the notebook. First you will make a title page. And on the first page of your composition section, you will put the heading application writing, then parts of an application. And we have 10 parts of an application: name of recipient, address of recipient, and you will skip a line before subject. Number 3, subject, and you will again skip a line after the subject. Salutation, introduction, body, closing, and skip one more line after the closing. Then ending, name of applicant and date. After writing the parts of an application, you will write the format of application on the next page. Okay, format of an application. The class teacher, the headmaster or the principal. We write class teacher, headmaster or principal with capital letter, comma, then A dot B dot C dot school, comma, and Karachi with the capital K full stop. And you will skip lines before and after subject. Subject requesting to whatever the subject you have, you will add here. Then skip a line, respected sir, now introduce yourself. This is X dot Y dot Z dot. I am a student of class 8 or class 7 in this school. Here you can see I am changing the paragraph for body. I'm not skipping a line, I'm changing a paragraph for body. I am humbly requesting you to, and you will complete your body here. Then you again change a paragraph for closing. I shall be very thankful to you for this act of kindness or whatever. After closing, you will skip a line for ending. Yours obediently, X, yours obediently, comma, X dot Y dot Z, dated 22nd July 2020. I hope you have understood well and will do your work as I told you. We will meet inshallah in the next class. Assalamu alaikum.